Your judge is Mr. Carlo Atigba.
Good evening, candidate number 12. My question is, how can an ordinary Chinoy youth become an exceptional Chinoy?
Um, an ordinary Filipino youth can contribute to society by doing carefully planned activities that foster friendship and intermingling between Filipinos and Chinese. And to give a specific example is by organizing a basketball game which both cultures really love to do. Thank you.